So here we are, Calibre 3.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I don't think there's any weapon worth buying.
Oh, that's a nice one.
The Tesla Claw is actually pretty good, but it's way too
that's a
costly,
nice
expensive. It's way too expensive to my wallet. I mean, I have enough bolts for it, but freaking bastards. Here's another vendor, don't know why. Let's go first to this place. Oh, seriously? And I even think there's a trophy for not getting hit in this part. I'm not going there because it's a gold bolt and I don't really need it. But if you guys want the gold bolt, you know, just jump to that section and complete it. So you see that portal over there? Well, if you went to that section and completed it by pressing all the switches, you could have access. You would have access to that area.
Hey, we finally get to meet the help desk girl. I hope she's cute.
What should that matter?
Oh, man.
Come here often?
Actually, I work here, so I come here all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I've been following your progress. Here, shh, take this. It's a map-o-matic. It will be very helpful.
I'll see you later.
Bye, sweetie.
I think she likes me.
The Gadgetron map-o-matic can be used to find secret areas. Just go to your map screen, and all secret areas will be highlighted on the map.
Yeah, I knew about this. As you guys can see, there it's full of chicken around here. I knew about this place because I was missing a gold bolt here, and I needed to go to I needed to use a guide because I simply wasn't finding it, and it was so easy to do so, but by the time I got all the gold bolts in the first one, I didn't even have internet by that time, so I don't know how I was able to get all the gold bolts. crap, it's going to be full of test robots. They have bomb glove. They actually use weapons that we use. These with the bomb glove are actually doable, but the ones that have the Piraciator, those are pretty annoying. Is it this way? Yeah. These bastards are always hitting me. Okay, I need to get the blaster. No! That one, the guy that just went online is Trevor from YouTube. He has some pretty good videos. I enjoyed his videos a lot. Oh my god, I'm going to die. How am I supposed to survive through this? I should have used more weapons. Oh crap! What? I already completed this segment, bastards. That's it, I'm going to use weapons. I don't care. Where are the guys that were here trying to kill me? Okay, it's not my problem. Okay. I want the... Don't you dare kill me. No, I want blaster. Wasn't this place that I died, wasn't it? It's so hard to shoot at enemies in this game. Get away. I wasted so much ammo. Come on. I think this is a checkpoint, and thank God it is. I think at least it is one. Oh, I think now it's the guys with the piracy here. Oh, help me. Oh, I have the bomb glyph. Oh, come on. I think the bomb glove is the best weapon I have to this situation. Freaking pass turrets. Oh, it was actually buried my wrench. Oh, come on, it was supposed to hit the guys, not... I'm going to destroy the ship, because this ship is a big threat. Oh, come on. Why? It was being hit. Yeah, I don't think there's any more enemies around here. But there actually are. So I can take 2 hits. Oh, come on, I didn't notice that. Okay, it's done. And now for a race.
Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if you were concerned about the, invasion?
Son, hard offenses are the best money can buy. Don't give it another thought. You ever been on a hoverboard?
Yeah, once or twice.
I am in search of a hip young star to represent my newest line of boards. Someone the kids can look up to.
And I am your man.
If you can beat my test bots in a race, that job is yours.
Seems legit. Oh, come on, that was a fail. In 4th place, amazing. Oh, come on. 5th place, I'm going to lose this one. Double Darla. Still, I think I'm going to lose. Ah. Oh, come on. Might as well exit and enter again. Screw this. Come on. Fuck. Oh! Fucking bomb. Do the robot. Oh, come on! 5th place again, amazing. What? This is so fucking unfair. Ah, I was scratching. 3rd place again, amazing. Simply magnific. Screw this. Ah, fuck this shit. I'm not going to do any trick in this place. Ah! I thought I was going to be killed. Ah, screw this. Fucking shit, I hate this race. And I don't really die these many times. There's a skill point in this race for getting many points. I need to do that. If I didn't have the Devastator, would I still be able to use the gun? Because I think that's a Devastator at least. Snaggle Beast. There's a trophy for doing the skid marks. It's kind of a hard trick to pull off. I mean, it's not that hard. You just need a few tries. After you do it for the first time, it's not really hard. But I don't really remember how's the trick. Okay,
That was terrific! Now I just needed to say a few words about our hot new boards.
Huh? Now?
Of course. Just look into that camera right over there and say what comes naturally. Rolling!
Hi. This is Ratchet for, Gadgetron Hoverboards. And if you,
Yo, dudes, for the freshest boards in the galaxy, check out the new XZ88 from Gadgetron. It's so hot, it's cool.
I think I got the wrong guy. That was something.
Hey, I was thinking, do I get a discount on gadgets now?
You have to be with the company for 2 years before the employee discount kicks in. I can, however, let you have this.
The Gadgetron
Yay.
Hologuise is the perfect infiltration device for all our non-robot customers. Simply equip the device and press the circle button. You will instantly be disguised as a sentry bot, preventing detection by all sentry bot security systems. Press the circle button again to wave at fellow sentry bots, who will then deactivate force fields for you. Caution, use of any weapon while disguised will deactivate the Hologuise.
We have the Hologuise. Hooray. Now we're going to the other planet again. Quartu.